Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Oluwashina Oyeniran, and today I will be introducing to you Object-Oriented Programming, OOP. In this video, I will be defining the concept of OOP to you. I will be talking about classes and object itself. I will be talking about attributes and methods, inheritance, polymorphism, and finally, encapsulation. uh, if you are very new to Python programming or object-oriented programming at large, oh, this is a very nice video for you. You're going to enjoy it. And if you are a pro, this is going to be a kind of refresher to you. So sit tight and enjoy the video with me. In the next couple of slides, we'll be diving into the concept of object-oriented programming. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, like, and share with your colleagues. Follow me as we dive into the concept of OOP. Okay, uh, I will be talking about object-oriented programming. So, object-oriented programming providing that this is object model reward. To get this data, I will be using a real-life situation. Before that, I would like to introduce you the concept of class. What is a class? A class is a blueprint or template for creating an object. Why an object an instance of a class? Uh, Let me show you a snippet in that. Now, in this snippet, I create a class that I called dog. Don't forget that a class is a blueprint or template for creating an object. So I have a class called dog. So, but I need an instance of that class. So the instance of that class, what I call self here. So every instance will also have an attribute. So the attribute here, the name and age. So which you're going to agree with me that a dog will have a name and age. So that will take us to another thing, which is called method. So look at it here. I define something that is particular to dog, which is mark. So here a dog can bark, which implies that uh, the term called method here is a function within a class that describes the behavior or action that can be performed by an object. So now that I've created the class and I have defined the method and the attribute, let's say my dog, which is an instance, is going to have a name called and age 5, and my dog, I want for this attribute. Another thing I would like to explain is the concept of inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism by which one class, that a child class, inherits the attribute of another class, which is the parent class. So, using this concept of dog, we have dog for different purposes. Your dog can be a pet, while dog to other people can be a static dog. So, if I define the static dog here, the static dog will also have a name and attribute, which is the properties of this class called dog. So if I define a service dog now, then this class dog, the parent class, then the next one I'm declaring the child class. Okay, let me show you a snippet that regard. So if you look at this snippet, I already declare a service dog. And you see, My service dog here is Rex, who is performing guiding service. So, service dog that I declare here, yeah, inherit from dog. The dog here, which I declare here. So, it has a name and age attribute and the back method I declare. One other thing, we already I added an attribute, a new attribute, this particular class, which I called a type of service. So the service performed by Rex is guiding. See, so this is the other attribute, which is not peculiar to this first class. So this is how inheritance works in object-oriented programming. One other thing I would like to talk about is polymorphism, which is the ability to present the same interface for different data types. It allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass, typically using method overriding. Now, like I told you the other time, uh, as we have a dog, which can be a pet, can have another type of pet, can have a cat. So both dog and cat fall under the category of a class called pets. So that is polymorphism for you. So I'm going to show you a snippet in that regard. Now, in this snippet I'm showing you, you are going to see that uh, you are going to see that both dog and cat, they have something in common. They can make sound. A dog can bark. Likewise, a cat can make a sound, a new sound. So these are the kind of attributes that is common. If I run this body says why cat. So this is polymorphism. This is polymorphism that defines another which has common. So before I end this video, I would like to talk about something else, which is what I called encapsulation. Yeah, you guess right, encapsulation. Hiding a particular attribute of an object and showing something else. Like giving the high level, not the low level this time. So I'm going to modify the class dog and show you the private attribute and provide a kind of getter and setter method. Now let's see that. So this is another snippet I would like to show you. I still define the same dog, the name, the age, rest of it. Now, but there is something I need you to don't forget that I have my dog named Steve for the other time, and the age is 5. But this time around, I'm setting another name called Max, but I'm not showing the age. So look at it. I only talk about body here. I did not tell you what body is doing or what is not doing. So I only tell you the name body. But this time around, I'm telling you something else. I already hide age of body here. So I'm only giving you the high level details of a particular dog. But instead, Max is saying this is how encapsulation of work. So here I already make the name and the age become a private attribute. So and the public attribute get the name and set the name. So I get a name and I set another one. So the name I get here body, but I set a new name Max. So this is how encapsulation works, object-oriented programming. And this will be the end of this class today. Have any question, please on the comment section. I would like to welcome your question and comment. On the other hand, I would also like to subscribe, like, and share the video with friends for you. See you in my next